Hey guys, welcome to our channel with a new video. Today we will be discussing on top 10 rarest bird in the world. So let's get started without wasting any time. Number 1. Spix macaw. The Spix macaw is one of the world's most critically endangered species. The Spix macaw is a parrot in shades of blue and named after German naturalist Johann Baptist von Spix. Its natural habitat is restricted due to its dependence on the carabineri tree for nesting. The species were discovered in 1817 in Brazil and is speculated to have become extinct in the wild in 2000. There are currently 85 in captivity, some of which are participating in an international breeding program. The decline in the species is due to hunting and trapping, destroying its habitat and the Africanized bee. Number 2. Cebu flower picker. The Cebu flower picker is only found on Cebu Island in the Philippines. The Cebu flower picker is stocky with a short, stout bill. The male has colors which include a black head, red mantle, back, yellow or green rear, blackish blue wings or tail and greyish white underparts. It was feared to have become extinct in the early 20th century. It was rediscovered in 1992 at Tabunan and was seen most recently in 2007. The population was estimated to be about 85 to 105 in 2005. The species is threatened by an extreme shortage of habitat and other man-made factors. Number 3. Hawaii crow. The Hawaii crow or alala is considered by some natives to be the family god. It is black and about 20 inches in length. Unfortunately, it has been extinct in the wild since 2002. As of July 2010, there were approximately 78 birds in two separate breeding facilities. In the past, it was only found in western and southeastern parts of Hawaii. Important trees species in its habitat were Ohialuwa and Koa. Reasons for its extinction could be from diseases or other contributing factors. In April 2009, a 5-year plan to spend more than $14 million was announced to prevent its total extinction. Number 4. The black stilt is the rarest wading bird in the world. The black stilt or kaki is exclusive to New Zealand. Adults have long, slender, red legs, a fine black bill, and black plumage. The species has been protected for 20 years but still remains very rare and critically endangered. As of February 2010, the population is estimated at 85 adult birds with about 12 in captivity. The three major threats to this species are drainage and hydroelectric development, which disturbs their braided riverbeds, predators such as cats, ferrets, and stoats, and hybridization with the closely related Australian pied stilt. Number 5. The Mauritius or eco parakeet. The Mauritius or eco parakeet is known locally as catover and considered endangered. It is similar to its closest living relative, the rose-ringed parakeet, except stockier with a shorter tail and more emerald green in color. This bird was close to extinction in the early 1980s due to lack of suitable trees for breeding, threats by humans, feral pigs or deers, and competition with other bird species. By the late 1980s, the predicament had stabilized, and by the mid-1990s, there were 50 to 60 birds. Total wild population is currently 280 to 300. Captive population exists at a wildlife sanctuary in western Mauritius. Number 6. The Imperial Amazon. The Imperial Amazon, aka Imperial Parrot, Dominican Amazon, August Amazon or Cicero has a green back, purple neck, green tipped red tail and purple underparts. The species is native to mountain forest of the Caribbean island nation of Dominica. It is the national bird and featured on the Dominican flag. It has an endangered status and a population of 150 to 250 mature birds, of which 3 are in captivity at the Parrot Conservation and Research Center. The species is threatened by habitat loss, pet trade, illegal trapping, deforestation, encroachment, and competition with red-necked Amazon and owls for nesting. Number 7. The Black Shama. The Black Shama is a lively black bird that is endemic to the island of Cebu, which is located in Philippines. It is threatened by habitat loss on this island as it lives in various types of forest and shrubland. Number 8. The kakapo is a large flightless nocturnal bird. The kakapo or owl parrot is native to New Zealand and has yellow-green plumage, a large grey beak, excellent climber, and can descend like a parachute. As of February 2010, the kakapo was critically endangered with only 120 known birds left. Predators such as cats, rats, and free Iceland since January of 2009. Number 9. The Pink Pigeon. The pink pigeon is native to Mauritius and was down. Number 10. The Mauritius kestrel is a bird of prey. The Mauritius kestrel is native to the forest of Mauritius. It is a small falcon with a long tail and short wingspan of about 1.5 feet. The tiny population was most likely caused by deforestation in the 18th century and cyclones. The most severe decrease was in the 1950s and 1960s due to the use of DDT, cats, mongooses, and macaws. In 1974, the population dropped to near extinction, a mere 4, but increased to 50 in 1984. Since there are now more than 800 mature birds, the species was down listed to vulnerable in 1994. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.